Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this car cover for SUVs that this brand sent to me for the video, which, by the way, it's for SUVs up to 200 inches. I'm going to actually say that in inches again, not in feet, because you're going to be super careful about the sizes. They have a really big chart with all the measurements and all the models that you can actually cover with this super big SUV car cover, actually SUV cover. So this one, which I'm going to show you in a few seconds, I'm going to actually remove it from the bag because it comes with the bag, and we're going to test it out. We're going to try it out. I'm going to use some water as well. But you can see this one is pretty nasty already. It's super dirty. So before cleaning up, I want to actually try it out with the cover and see how that one goes. But again, one thing that I want to mention, this one, it is 6 layers cover. It has 6 layers. It's actually being created with 6 layers. It is waterproof. It is hailproof for sure. Just make sure that you have the proper cushion under the cover. This is not magical. It's not just going to cover for the whole hail, but it's going to cover for any other things like water, rain, dust, wind, things like that if you leave your car outside. Remember, check their chart because they have so many other models. Let's actually take it out of the bag and do some tests. Okay, so number one, I don't know if you saw that on the video. I'm gonna just leave it there so you can actually see it, that I had to turn everything and swap it to the other side because this one comes with, I thought it was like on both sides, but comes on just one of the sides, which is gonna be the driver's seat. You can see that this one comes with a place that you can actually open the door without having to remove everything. So let's say that you forgot something and the car is covered, it's raining or something like that, you can actually remove that and get inside of the car and just grab whatever you needed to grab. So that's actually pretty important. This inside, it is really soft, but it's also very thick. So that's something I was not expecting, how thick this one is, but how soft it is. So it's not going to damage any of the paint, which I think it's also super important. And so in here, you're going to find the zipper one more time. And then down here, you're gonna find the strap. So this strap, once you are really done right here, you can actually do this, adjust it, and you're gonna have a strap that is gonna allow for this one not to move, which I think it is really good. But also, it comes with this strap. So the other thing that you will have to do if you wanna keep this one to not to moving too much is gonna use this one on your strap, put it right here on one of the wheels, and just go to the other side and tie the other part. So that's another way of preventing that one to move if it is like a super windy day. So that is a really nice thing for them to add on this one too. And then you can just add this one on the bag and make sure that you have it really easy, within easy reach, to make sure that this one won't move. But the last thing will be to try this because it says it is waterproof. So oh wow, yeah, 100% waterproof. As you can see over here, this is not getting, I'm gonna get wet. Yeah, this is not getting inside at all. So another good thing about this one, I gotta say that this kind of like the fabric feels super nice. I feel that it's 100% waterproof. Well, what can I say? Pretty versatile one, up to 201 inches. Remember that, up to 200 inches. Just take the measurements and make sure that your car is in the chart to get this particular model. If not, they have so many others that you gotta check out. I'm gonna give this a seal of approval. Thanks for watching and see you soon.